I-5.
Abortion is not even an option. Remember, say me never have no baby for Carlton when we did married. Hello, Mr. Long.
No make deceiving pass, and you're not there on my foot.
Bubbles, the truth is an offense, but not a sin.
Wall out! Speng. I need to see you.